Yo, this is Soul Brother. I'm gonna show you guys. This is the starting formation of a male plant, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when they're about to pollinate. I luckily came in here while a couple of my pollen sacs just opened, so I'm gonna show you guys how easy this pollen to just get across the whole room. This here is one just opened. You see how easy that dumps? I'm gonna dump this pollen. I just dropped on my hand that easily, and that's why it's one of the females right here. Just like that, she has been pollinated. Normally, I would use a paintbrush, something like that. This was my chosen male. I know you guys seen me collect a couple of the males, but that was technically for preservation. Kind of left it in the air for people to make their assumptions and whatever, but those 2 or 3 males I still have in the bag drying. I have the pollen from those collected, and this was just my favorite male. This was the male that I wanted to keep. So the people wondering how was I going to apply the pollen, I was going to save the best male and kind of let us do this thing. Reintroduce this male back to its room where I have all of my females that have been sexed, and I'm gonna kind of move it around. It's gonna go into that section I made for it in a day or two. I'm gonna move it around there, and I'm gonna move it around here, and from there on I'm gonna take some of the pollen I can collect from those little dangly things. I don't say tendrils, I don't know what they are. The things that come out of the pollen sacs themselves. They start off looking like peanuts almost. They open up, they have kind of like the winged pineapple top looking thing right there. And then they drop the, what everyone calls manners. Those manners are just small branches. Small branches filled with pollen. Look at this. Show you guys one more time. Look at that. That right there to a breeder or anybody trying to cross anything is fucking awesome. That's what you're looking for. You don't want to fucking shake this around everywhere because then you got a lot to clean up. But, like I said, I just came in here. I figured this is the perfect time to show you guys what a male looks like when it's ready to dump, what it looks like when it's about to dump. If they're looking like this, they're probably going to dump in a day or two. So pay attention.